Now we study the experiment number 30 presented by Karan Bapte. Title: To study the microscopic examination of sputum. Concept of this experiment is: first, examination of sputum. It reveals infections of lower respiratory tract. Then second, gram staining method. It differentiates bacteria into gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Then third, acid fast staining. It stains organisms such as Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium leprae, which are difficult to stain by ordinary stain methods. Because of lipid containing cell walls, they bind carbon-15 tightly and resist destaining with a strong decolorizing agent like alcohol and strong acids. In this, carbon-15 is used as primary stain, while phenol is used as mordant. Then learning objective is: first, intellectual skill, in that first, to understand concept of gram staining and acid fast staining. Second, to identify color observed in gram staining and acid fast staining. Then motor skill, we study the ability to handle and use microscope. Then apparatus which is used in this experiment are glassware, prepared or permanent slide, oil immersion microscope, chemicals, crystal violet stain. Then it is a solution A, crystal violet 2 gram, ethyl alcohol 20 ml, solution B, that is ammonium oxalate 0.8 gram, distilled water 80 ml, mix solution A and B, keep for 24 hours and filter. Then grams iodine solution, iodine 1 gram, potassium iodine 2 gram, distilled water in 100 ml, decolorizer, mix 95% alcohol and acetone in equal proportion. Safranin solution, safranin O, that is 0.34 gram in absolute alcohol 10 ml and distilled water 90 ml. Stock carbon-15 solution, which is a solution A, basic 15 powder. Then ethyl alcohol, dissolve powder in alcohol by using mortar and pestle. If necessary, heat in boiling water bath. Solution B contains 50% phenol solution. Then working carbon-15 staining solution, mix 10 ml of solution A with a 90 ml of solution B, 20% volume by volume sulfuric acid, methylene blue 0.3% weight by volume in water. Then procedure: the collection of sample. First, for routine common investigation, sputum is collected in wide mouth bottle, that is 30 ml or 60 ml, with a tight fitting screw cap. Collection is done early in the morning. The patient is instructed to clean mouth with the water to avoid contamination by food particle. Patient is asked to cough sputum from bronchi or lungs and not saliva. For suspected tuberculosis investigation, sample is collected over a period of 24 hours. Then gram staining. The gram staining of sputum sample involves following steps. First, preparation of smear of sputum sample and fixing it by heating. Staining of smear with a crystal violet for 1 minute. Washing it under running tap water and then treatment with a gram iodine for 1 minute. Fourth, decolorization of smear with alcohol, acetone for 20 to 30 seconds. It is a continued till purple stain just stop coming on this slide. Then fifth step, washing of the slide under running tap water. Then sixth step, staining with a safranin. The staining smear is allowed to drain and dry and observed under high power objective, and finally under oil immersion objective. Gram positive bacteria retain the color and observed as violet color bacteria, while gram negative bacteria do not contain color after treatment with alcohol or acetone and are counterstained by safranin and observed as pink colored bacteria. Diagram showing procedure for gram staining. In this, the streptococci and staphylococci are gram-positive organism observed violet colored when stained with a gram staining. These are normal habitats of nasal membrane and can causes disorder like pneumonia and pharyngitis. Few example: gram-positive cocci in cluster of Staphylococcus aureus, gram-positive cocci in chains Staphylococcus pneumoniae, gram-positive cocci in pairs Staphylococcus pyogenes, gram-negative rods of Klebsiella pneumoniae. See the diagrammatic representation of the staining procedure. The acid-fast staining. Acid-fast staining is done by Ziel-Nielsen's hot stain method, in which heat is applied for detection of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It involves following steps. First, preparation of smear from sputum specimen on glass slide and fixing it by heating on Bunsen burner flame. Second, staining the heat fixed smear with a working carbon fustian stain. Third stage, heating gently by Bunsen flame until steam rises for 5 minutes. The stain is not allowed to dry. Fourth, washing off the stain with water till water that runs off is colorless. Decolorization using 20% sulfuric acid for 1 minute. Then sixth stage, washing with water and counter staining with methylene blue stain for 1 minute. Last stage, washing the slide with a tap water, allowing it to drain, finally observed under oil immersion objective. Now we see the observation table. The student to observe prepared or permanent slide obtained under microscope and reports observation in following tables. The first table is microscopic examination of prepared or permanent slide of gram staining, that is a sputum smear. The various tests are in this table. Total 5th test. The first test is the gram negative bacteria, that is rods size 1 micrometer. The color is pink. Second test, gram positive bacteria, the spherical and few rods. The color is violet. Third test, yeast cell, that is oval body or filaments, the violet color. Pus cells, pink color, and epithelial cell are pink color. Then second table is a microscopic examination of prepared or permanent slide of the acid-fast staining, that is a sputum smear. In that, the total 2 tests. First, acid-fast organism. The color is bright red bacilli on blue background. Second, other organism, that is a dark blue color. The final result is microscopic examination of given sample of slides of sputum shows presence of gram negative bacteria or gram positive bacteria or pus cells or yeast cell or epithelial cells or acid fast organism. This is the end of the experiment number 30.